the equation of plane passing through a point, the equation of plane passing through a point, the coordinate of point is alpha, beta, gamma, and drs of normal to plane are A, B, C। उस प्लेन की इक्वेशन जो किसी पॉइंट अल्फा बीटा गामा से पास करता है और जिसके नॉर्मल के डी आर्स ए बी सी हैं, इक्वेशन होगी ए एक्स माइनस अल्फा बी वाई माइनस बीटा एंड प्लस सी जेड माइनस गामा इज इक्वल टू 0. This is the equation of plane which passing through a point alpha beta gamma, and the drs of normal to the plane is A, B and C. Now the angle between two planes, angle between two planes, दो प्लेन के बीच का एंगल। देखिए प्लेन आपका दो फॉर्म में हो सकता है, या तो उसके डीआर्स दिए हुए हो, उसके नॉर्मल के डीआर्स दिए हुए हो, या फिर वो नॉर्मल फॉर्म में हो सकता है जब आपको उसके डीसीज पता हो। तो मान लीजिए लेट अस सपोज दैट, पहले मान रहे हैं लेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ टू प्लेन्स आर given by, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है a1x b1y c1z plus d1 is equal to 0, and the second equation is a2x b2y plus c2z and plus d2 is equal to 0, जहां a1 b1 c1 पहले प्लेन के नॉर्मल के डीआर्स हैं और जो आपके a2 b2 और c2 है वो दूसरे प्लेन के नॉर्मल के डीआर्स है। Then the angle between these two planes, if theta is angle between these two planes, then you can find that theta like this. This cos theta is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square b1 square c1 square and square root of a2 square b2 square and c2 square. If planes are perpendicular, that means if planes are perpendicular, then you can see this theta will be equal to 90 degree, and then this cos 90 degree will be equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square b1 square c1 square and square root of a2 square b2 square c2 square, and cos 90 you know that this is equal to 0, and after solving we have this a1 a2 b1 b2 and C1 C2 इज इक्वल टू 0। यानी कि अगर प्लेन एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर है then the multiply of normals drs, sum of multiply of drs of normal to the planes will be equal to 0। and the number 2 is if planes are पैरेलल, अगर प्लेन्स एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हैं, अगर प्लेन्स एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हैं, in that condition this theta will be equal to 0 degree and plane will be, then the ratio of drs of both planes will be same। that means a1 upon a2 will be equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2। this will be the condition if planes are parallel to each other, because drs of normal to the planes are given। if in place of drs we have dc's, then what will be, you can see yes, if in place of drs the dc's in non, dc's is are non, sorry, dc's are non, that means if L1x M1y plus N1z plus P1 is equal to 0, this is the equation of first plane, and L2x M2y N2z plus P2 is equal to 0 is the equation of second plane, where Ln L1 M1 N1, where L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are DCs of respective planes, sorry, are the DCs of normal to, are the DCs of normal to respective planes, then DCs of normal to respective planes, then cos theta will be equal to, cos theta is equal to L1 M1 L2 M2 and sorry L1 L2 L1 L2 M1 M2 and N1 N2, that means the sum of multiply of DCs, and theta is angle between the planes। कंडीशन वही है लगभग, if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, that is planes are perpendicular to, planes are perpendicular to each other, then L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 will be equal to 0. And if theta is equal to 0 degree, that is planes are parallel to each other, then the ratio of DC, that is L1 upon L2, M1 upon M2, N1 upon N2 will be same. Equation of plane. Equation of plane through 3 points. 3 points. Equation of plane through 3 points. Let AX BY CZ plus D is equal to 0 be the equation of plane, and this passing through and this passing through the points, passing through the points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, and third point is x3 y3 z3. Because this plane passing through these 3 points, then obviously this ax1 plus by1 cz1 plus d will be equal to 0, and ax2 by2 cz2 plus d is equal to 0, and ax3 plus by3 and cz3 plus d will also be equal to 0. Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane in which we want to find the value of a, b and c, and these are the equation. These are the numerical values at which can be found after using the values of x, y and z, after using the points x, y, z. Now eliminating a, b, c and d from these 4 equations. Eliminating a, b, c and d, then we have this is x, y, z1, and this is x1, y1, z1, 1, x2, y2, z2, 1, x3, y3, z3, 1 is equal to 0. After solving this, we have the equation of plane which passing through the points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3.